set.
Tapos hindi lang na control fuel. And then cut off yan. Aman, cut off.
Sa cut off. Kasi ipinit mo daw tayong cut off. Ay, maano naman yan. Hindi man, tapos pag start mo lang yan, i-off mo. Off.
Then cut off.
Cut off.
Input password.
Ayan ako ng password. Okay,
tapos start.
Sige, start. Wala. Okay, yun na.
And then off natin. Set
again.
again.
Set.
Control fuel. Recover. Input password.
Password. Okay.
Send command successfully. Start natin ulit.
Start.
Yun. Stick.
Ragod. Stick talaga.
Change password ka na.